Sudoku friends, welcome. Today on Thursday, it's Thursday, June the 15th, 2023. Good news because we have a medium Sudoku, but also, yesterday we have no extra puzzles. Well, we have the additional back. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, Sudoku with 0 stars, Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 4 stars. Then we have a Tectonic with 4 stars. This one is very impressive. Yeah, it's a hard one. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 printed digits. So it should be a hard one. It's rare with 8 printed digits. So I'm looking forward to solving this puzzle. We have a Tectonic with 1 star, binary puzzle. These puzzles, not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will do in the evening. Well, let me start with this one. Sudoku Medium. Yes, Sudoku Medium. Number. This will be number. Let me zoom this in. Number 6596. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot. 30 printed digits. 30. Well, 30. The easiest one has 27, so it should be easier if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars puzzle. The 1 star in additional, the 1 star has 27, and for 27 printed digits, you need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see if this is really a easy one. So let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. 1, 4, and a 6. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6. And look, we have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in this box. We have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 there. So the 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in the first column. No 6 there. 6 over here. No 1 goes there, so 1 digit left. In the middle row for number 4. Right, then the 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 place left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 7. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Yeah. Need a 2, need a 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8. And look, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 6 should be there. So the 2 and the 8 are left. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4, 6, 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for the 6 should be there. 9, 4, come on, 5, Need a 5. Yeah, 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, no need to place left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, no need to place left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. No, need a 5 here. Alright, so we have a 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between, only place left for the 5 should be there. Here, the last 5s, so the 5 are done. Yeah, 5s are done, yes. One box left in the middle column for number 1. 1, okay. Need a 6 or so. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the third column, no 6 there. Only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6, 6, 6. A 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay. 3, 3, 3, 3, need a 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing number in the third row is the 3. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 in this box. Here can be a 3 because we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. So the 3 could be there in the third row. Here or there, we see another 3 in this column, no 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, 2, 2. Need a 9 here. Then. Let me see. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between. And only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between, only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the first row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 9. We have a 9 in the first row, so no 9 there. Here 9 in this column, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, only place left for the 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. The 3 in the first column, the 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. Right. How about the number 9? Okay. 1 box left in the first column for number. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 4, yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4, 9, 4, 9. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is for number 4. Okay. The 9 in the first column, the 9 in the second column, so the third column. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for number 1. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the second row, the 1 in this row, the 1 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the rest. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so the last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the rest. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for the rest. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there, finishing 11 minutes. Well. Faster than 50 minutes, told you, with 30 printed digits. But we solve it again, and I like this one, so we do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.